Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be putting a Sphagnum Moss Pole. Am I saying that right? Sphagnum pole into my Monstera Deliciosa plant. Can you see me? This is my pole that I got. I ordered it from Amazon. It's the perfect size for this little girl. It comes with some clips that you can kind of clip the leaves around. I'm going to show you how to do it, but I've never done this before. I actually only have seen one person on YouTube do it, and I didn't even see a tutorial for it. I just saw they had one and I wanted one. So I know a lot of people can make these themselves. I just wanted to skip that step, you know? I wasn't trying to go that route. I think it was like $7. I'm gonna link it below, so don't mark my word on that. I'm not sure if that's what it actually cost. This is pretty cool. Very natural looking, and I'm gonna assume that you could probably take like some other type of moss and wrap it around here if you didn't want it to have this like brown look. But I like it. I think it's pretty cool, and it's gonna contrast pretty well in there. So right now, I will show you. I have some dowels in here, and I just lightly tied the leaves with super soft cotton string to the poles just to kind of keep them up and happy because they were starting to fall down. So I am hoping that this Sphagnum, please someone tell me if I'm saying that right, moss pole is going to help do the trick. So let's just get started. Okay, so first it says that you can submerge this in some water. I'm just doing it to kind of create some moisture for the leaves, which I read is a good thing to do. So now that this is like 10 times heavier, this thing is so cool. I am gonna leave this sit here, and I am going to deconstruct this plant and get all those dowels out of there. Okay, now we are going to stick this pole somewhat in the back here because I don't want to stick it directly in the center where the root ball is. I want to kind of stick it like back here where it's not going to damage that root ball. So without messing up my plant or my cabinets, there, to encourage that leaf to grow up. Perfect. So now I'm guessing that the point of this thing is to have the leaves grow around it. Because monsteras are found in tropical rainforests, they like to grow up things and they like to kind of wrap around things. So I'm hoping that this works. So now this package also came with, and it's really stuck in there. Okay, this is kind of gross. Let's wash it off. All right, so it comes in this little package. It says directions for attaching extension pins enclosed. So remove them, hold the totem pole in the center, blah, blah, blah. Pretty self-explanatory. Thank you, Amazon. So they're just these little pins, and you can kind of, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. I don't think I'll use all of them, but what you want to do is you want to kind of just encourage the leaves to grow up the pole. So kind of towards the top of the leaf, you want to just push that in there, and don't push it to where it's like pinching the leaf or the stem, because that won't be good, and then that won't encourage growth. It'll just stop it from growing, obviously, right? I'm excited. Sorry, am I in the way? Can you see? You can't see anyway. Two, you can pretty much put 2 together too if you really wanted to, because these pins, they're pretty big. I love that. Can you guys see that up there? Hold on. Look at that. Look at that new growth there. Oh, he's so pretty. So in here, I'm gonna kind of take you on a jungle tour. See this little pin here? Is that good lighting? The lighting in here sucks, guys. Gosh. finish. Hold on. God said, let there be light. Okay, is that better? Can you see that? Let me turn this nasty light off. Now we're backlit. Fabulous. No better. Okay, see that pin right there? Yes, you do. That's holding down 2 leaves. And then just to kind of look at it from the side view. Perfect. Baby leaf again. I love that guy. Okay, we're gonna just pin back a couple more. Thinking like that. I might add another pole on this side. I did get 2 of them. I got it for my philodendron that I recently got from someone on Facebook. Actually, she's one of my photography clients, Andrea. Thank you so much. I love it. I'll show you I haven't potted her yet, but she gifted this philodendron to me. Isn't it pretty, guys? It's variegated. Totally off topic, like always, because I just ramble. But anyway, so here we go. Here we are. Finished product. I might maneuver it a little bit more in the soil. I just watered my Monstera, so the soil is a little loosey. Loosey? Anyway, so I might just adjust it a little bit so that it's standing up a little bit straighter, but I like it. It mimics the rainforest and the jungle, and I love it. Thank you again for coming to watch my videos. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video on here. And I will see you guys in the next one.